This woman is 38-year-old Ramandeep Man. She has been sentenced to death in India by hanging for the murder of her husband, Sunjit Singh. Ramandeep and Sunjit married in 2005. They met in England. Ramandeep is a British woman, so they married in England and they have 2 sons. At the time, in 2016, when this murder happened, one son was 6 years old and the other one was 9 years old. And all this happened because of a love affair. Ramandeep started a love affair with her husband's best friend, one of his best friends from childhood. She started that affair. The man lived in Dubai while she and her husband lived in England, in Derby. So they were exchanging messages, text messages, phone calls and all that, and they carried on. Ramandeep's husband was a very wealthy man. He had property in England and property in India, where he originally came from and where his parents were.